Let me introduce DataWeaver, a data story authoring tool that integrates both visualization-driven and narrative-driven data storytelling. Authors can initiate their process by either exploring data visualization or composing narrative text. DataWeaver allows users to add different types of visualizations by uploading datasets, add basic filters, and specify visual mappings. For example, I can create a sunburst chart by specifying aggregate values and different layers. The chart created will automatically support a series of interactions, such as tooltipping, legend selection, or other types of highlighting. Users can also add text editor nodes and connect them with visualization using edges. These functions are the foundational features that support DataWeaver's core functionality. First, let's check out the vis-to-text composition. In this case, I have already created 3 visualization nodes and the text node with some leading narratives. In the scatter plot, I brushed over a region that reflects lower life expectancy and the GDP per capita. DataWeaver automatically calculates some statistics and data facts for me to choose from. Let's take a quick look at how DataWeaver generates a paragraph of narrative based on the data facts. In this generated paragraph, DataWeaver integrates the selected data facts into a cohesive narrative, including the average GDP per capita, life expectancy in the chosen region, and the proportion of countries from various continents. Moving on to the bar chart, I want to call out the ranks of each continent, as well as enumerate their life expectancy values. Let's try it again. You see, DataWeaver weaves these separated data facts into a nice narrative sentence, with the entity properly color-coded. This paragraph of narrative accurately blends the continent's rankings with their corresponding life expectancy values. Moving on to the line chart, I want to reuse this chart and call out different decades, so I quickly duplicate this node and brush it over different timeline. For the first one, I focused on the 70s to the millennium, and for the second one, I brush over the early 2000 peaks. And I select different data facts, such as the description of the line, accompanied by the highest and the lowest points. Again, DataWeaver helps me string together the description of the trend with selected data facts and turn them into narratives. Next, let me show you the other direction, text-to-vis composition. Users can just connect text nodes to raw dataset, select the portion of the text they want to focus, then ask DataWeaver to recommend and create interactive visualization. Users can add those that fit their needs directly onto the canvas as new visualization nodes. Now they can repeat the vis-to-text composition to generate more narratives. If users don't want to upload dataset, DataWeaver will serve the dataset from upstream visualization nodes automatically, and the users can just type in the topic they want to talk about, and DataWeaver will use the dataset to recommend and create new visualizations. In this case, I type in North African countries, and DataWeaver will do some basic data wrangling to fit the narrative. So it extracts all the 5 North African countries to make the line chart. Now I can generate new narratives focusing on North African countries. After finishing the story, users can quickly review and adjust the story by using the review page. This page allows users to quickly reorder the story pieces using drag and drop and review them in different formats, including continuous page, storytelling, and stepper. All the visualizations will remain annotated and interactive. DataWeaver also offers additional features to help users quickly revise the generated narratives. They can select a paragraph and ask DataWeaver to shorten, expand, regenerate, or directly prompt it to do something. This one feels a little too verbose, so I chose to shorten it. Alternatively, I want to do something fun, so I asked it to use Yoda's tone. Perfect. In either case, the revised text will remain anchored to the data facts. That sums up the features of DataWeaver. Thanks for watching.